미역국은 한국에서 옛날 오래전부터 내려오는 전통 음식인데, 미역에는 요오드 성분이 많이 있어서 엄마들이 아기 낳았을 때 그 미역국을 먹거든. 그 이유는 그 피를 많이 흘렸잖아. 그래서 피를 많이 생성해주는 그런 역할도 하고, 또 피를 맑게 해주고, 산모들이 모유를 먹여야 되는데 우유를 만들어주는데 굉장히 도움을 주기 때문에 모유가 많이 나와서, 그래서 미역국을 옛날부터 먹고, 미역에는 칼슘이 우유의 10배나 들어있어서 뼈 건강에도 좋고. 바다에서 잡은 조개라든지 그 홍합이라든지 그런 걸로 끓여서 그 국물을 가지고 미역국을 만들고 조개도 넣을 수 있고, 또 고기 좋아하는 사람은 소고기로 이제 미역을 끓여서 만들면 맛있지.
Okay, so here I am cooking arroz con pollo for Ryan. Now, first let's hear from Ryan, see if he's happy about today's meal.
Yeah, I'm very happy about today's meal.
Yeah? Here, does it smell good?
Yeah.
I don't see you smiling. Okay, that's good. Well, let's take a look at it, all right? Preparing some tostones, some rice. This is kind of hot, so let's just lift the lid a little bit. Ooh.
Hi everyone, I'm going to be talking about my heritage. So my aunt is Cuban, and I'm going to tell you a little story on how she came to the U.S. So her mother and her mother's sister and brother came to the USA as refugees of the Cuban Revolution, 1967. The movement started in July of 1953 with Fidel Castro and his fellow revolutionaries. On December 31st, 1958, they ousted the Cuban president, Fulgencio Batista. The movement later started to reform into a communist party in October 1965. That was the year that my aunt was born. Then later, an article, Cuban Refugees in the United States, was written about a memorandum of understanding. So the president, Lyndon Johnson, stated that those who seek refuge in America will find it. The president replying to an earlier statement by Fidel Castro that any person who wished to leave Cuba was free to do so. President Johnson said that priority should be given to the relatives of Cubans that are already living in the United States. So they were able to come here because my aunt's mother had an aunt and uncle living in the U.S., and so they claimed him, and they came on what was called the Freedom Flights, and they were processed in the Freedom Tower in Miami, Florida. So that's the story of how my aunt came here.